How to hard reset Realme P4 Lite 5G.
Step 1. Press power button and volume up button together and swipe down to turn off device.
Step 2. Press and hold power button and volume down button.
Step 3. When you see the Realme logo, release power button, but keep holding volume down button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.